Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start immediately. First, make sure your Apple Pencil is paired and has enough charge so strokes register reliably. Open the Notes app and tap to create a new note. Selecting a blank page puts you in a neutral workspace. Once you've picked the pen tool, pick a tip and opacity so ink behaves predictably. This saves time and prevents awkward rest strokes. You'll notice pressure and tilt respond differently, so test a quick line to confirm settings before writing important content. Start writing naturally. Use pressure for thicker strokes and tilt for shading when sketching diagrams. Once done, use the lasso tool to select sections to move, resize, or copy to other notes, and try scribble or convert to text to change handwriting into typed text when needed. Make sure to add a clear title and place the note in an appropriate folder so you can find it later. Because Notes indexes handwriting, searchable keywords help you retrieve content quickly. When you finish, enable iCloud Sync so your notes back up and appear on other devices without extra steps. To share, export pages as PDF or use the share sheet for mail, messages, or AirDrop. That preserves layout and handwriting. If you encounter lag or unresponsive strokes, first toggle Bluetooth and retry. If that fails, restart the iPad and repair the pencil to resolve most connection glitches. If problems persist, check pencil charge and iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.